I will see how to print a star pattern and number pattern in JavaScript. So first I'll show you. So how much till how much level you want. Suppose I say 6 till 6 level it will show. So this is number pattern. So even you can print this way. I'll show you one more pattern. Suppose I say I. So if I say how many levels, suppose I say still 7 level it should show. So this way. And if I want to print star, then I will say star and give little bit space. So you'll get star pattern also. So you have to give here double quotes because we want to print star, not value. Okay, so you have to give double quotes. Now you'll get star here. One more you have to give space here. Here double quotes you have to remove. Now how much till how much line star you want? 6. So 6 line star. So remember, when you want to print anything in symbol form, then you have to use double quotes. So now I had used double quotes. So now we'll see how this code get executed. JavaScript should be written between head section of HTML or in encoding in script tag. You have to close in script tag. All the JavaScript code should be written between script tag in body section of HTML or head section or as external file. Script tag you have to write type text oblique JavaScript. This is standard format now. Where is used to declare the variable. Parse int. First I'll tell you what it is. Prompt you have to use. Prompt is a function which is used to accept any thing, number, character, whatever. So we have to convert that till how many lines you want right angle triangle in number format or pattern format, how much line. So here you have to enter. Immediately we'll convert that into number format because if we enter 6 because prompt in prompt data is accepted in form of strings, collection of characters. That is so we want to convert that into number. So parse int is used to convert strings into that is it parses string into integer, that is number with without decimal point. So you have to give one more bracket. One is for prompt and this is for parse int. So immediately it will convert into integer, it will assign to n. So we'll use for loop. Two for loops are used. For loop I is equal to 1, I less than n. So I value 1, n suppose we had accepted as 4 and I plus plus. So how this will execute? I is 1, it will check I is less than n. Suppose I value is 1 now and n value we had took 4. So till 4 line will get this program. So J is used. What you want to print on? So inner loop get executed again and again till this condition is true. When it becomes false, then it will come out. Then it will. This will increment once, only once, and then it will go here, and this will go and execute it again and again inner loop till this condition is true. When it becomes false, it will go up. Again, it will go up. This will again start with 1. Now we'll see how it get executed. Suppose we had took n value as 4. Then I is 1. 1 is less than 3. Yes. Then now I value is 1. Now j is 1. J is less than equal to I. I means we are saying because we want to print in right angle triangle format, a number or any character format or any symbol format. So we are saying this loop should execute till it is equal to I. So what is value of I? 1. So j is also 1. So j is less than equal to 1. Yes, because 1 is less than equal to 1. So it is true. Then it will print star. So first line will get star. Now j will increment, j will become 2. Then it will go here. J that is because I value is still 1 only. So 2 is less than equal to 1. No, it is false. Then it will come out of this loop. It will come below. Then it will come to new line. BR tag is for new line. Then I value will increment. It will become 2 because previous value was 1. Now here it will check. 2 is less than n value was 4. Yes, it is true. Then again because inner loop will again start with 1. Inner loop again get initialized. So it will become 1. J is again 1. So now here that is j value is now 1. 1 is less than equal to 2. Yes. Then it will go here. It will print this star, then again it will go j will increment by 2, then it will check 2 is less than 2, yes, then one more star at next line. Now j will become 3, then it will check 3 is less than equal to 2, no, then it will come out of loop. Then next line means in second line 2 star are printed, then it will go up, then I value will get incremented 3, 3 is less than equal to 4, yes, then inner loop will again start with 1, 1 is less than equal to 3, yes, then it will print star, then j will get incremented, j will become 2, then it will go here 2 is less than 3 because I value is 3 only, yes, then it will print a second star in third line, then again j value will get incremented, then it will check 3 is equal less than equal to 3, yes, then third star will print, means on third line 3 star will get printed. Now j will increment, it will become 4, 4 is less than 3 because I value is 3, j value is 4, 4 is less than 3, no, it is false, then it will come out, then next it will come to next line, br means, then I value will become 4, 4 is less than equal to 4 because n value is 4, now I value is also 4, yes, true, then inner loop again will start with 1, so 4 is less than equal to j value is 1, now 1 is less than equal to 4, yes, then it will print 1 star, then j will get increment, it will become 2, 2 is less than equal to 4, yes, then it will print next star, j will again get increment, it will become 3, 3 is less than equal to 4, yes, it will print third star in fourth line, j will again increment, it will become 4, 4 is less than equal to 4, yes, it will print 4 star on fourth line. Now j will become 5, then it will check 5 is less than equal to 4, no, then it will come out of the loop, and finally it will come out of this loop also because I will become 5, it will check 5 is less than equal to 4, yes, no, so it is false, then it will come out of this loop. Okay, so this way you can see again output. So suppose I say 4, so this is 4 star, suppose I say 10, so till 10 level it will print. Now instead of star, suppose I want number format, suppose I say I, so I value it will print here, suppose I say I want till 5 level, so 1 2 2 3 3 4 4, suppose I say instead of I, if I say print value of j, so I say till how much line I want, suppose I say till 7 line I want, so this is value of j. So in this way you can print number format and character format or star. So hope you understood. Subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you.